Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 error. The game has crashed and the error code is 0xfffffffe. So if you're getting this error in the Black Ops 7, then here follow the fixes. And this is for the Game Pass users. The first fix is to repair the game. So open Windows Settings. On the left click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Then here search for Call of Duty and then click on this three dot and then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down and here you will see the repair option. So click on repair, and once the repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then fix 2 is to reset the game. So if repair doesn't work, then click on reset option. Again click on reset to confirm and just wait for it. And after the reset has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then run the game as an admin. So open the Xbox app and then select Call of Duty game and then click on this three dot and then click on manage. Go to the files tab and then click on browse. It will open the game installation folder. Open the Call of Duty folder, open content folder. Now look for the COD.exe file. Here it is. Right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check if your problem is solved or not. If this also fails to work, then fix 4 is to uninstall and reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So completely uninstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game from your PC and then reinstall Black Ops 7 and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve the game has crashed error code 0xfffffffe error on PC. And this is for the Game Pass users. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.